Okay, how do you tie a knot for the aerial hammock? Now, first of all, when you get your hammock, notice that there's a tail end and there's a clip on. Keep the clip on. Do not remove it. So from here, bring the tail end, the short tail end, and over your forearm. And from here, pull it towards you. Lower your left hand down, grab the long tail end, and notice that then I can remove the other end and pull this long tail end and over inside the loop. Now this is your knot. Before you put on the carabiner, bring the short tail end again and to the inside and pull it over. Once you have done that, you can put on your carabiner. Put the carabiner in. And now tighten the knot. Pull it at the long end and tighten it. You might also need to pull the short end as well. And that's it. There you go. That's how you tie an aerial hammock.